Even before God created the sun, the moon, and the stars, even before God created the mountains and the hills and the seas, even before God created the first man and the first woman, God already knew that you, ONEAL and BERNICE, will get married in Makati on the 24th of February, 2019 at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. God already knew about this day.
Our journey is one of a kind. It's no fairy tale because what we have is real and special. I may not be the sweetest person you know, but I assure you that my love for you is infinite. And now as we become one, I promise to always love you and to always choose us.
You are the piece of the heart that I never knew was missing. I promise to love you and choose you, only you, until the end of time.
Paano ba ng pleasure sa kanya, di ba? Isa lang yun ah. Wala pang letter eh. Tulungan mo yan, ano ba? Kasi ko ako ah. Love you.
Don't know what I'd do without you. up and I pinch myself. You're with me, not someone else. And I'm scared, yeah, I'm still scared. That is all a dream. 'Cause you still look perfect as days go by. Even the worst ones, you make me smile. I'd stop the world if it gave us time.